Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, Manipur government on 2nd May 2020 brought back the first batch of 87 persons who were stranded at Manipur Bhavan in Guwahati as a part of its evacuation process. Before proceeding to Imphal, all the 87 passengers who had boarded in 4 buses from Manipur Bhavan, Guwahati were screened at Manipur's Mau Gate, Senapati district on their arrival at the entry point to the state at around 8:30 a.m. on Saturday. The Mau Council, along with Mau Naga Women Welfare Association, Mau Students Union also assisted the police and the medical team, offering maximum cooperation and support in the screening process. Mau Gate is the entry point to Manipur bordering Nagaland and most vulnerable to the spread of coronavirus. Even slight negligence may lead to disaster. Speaking to the stranded returnees, they expressed their happiness over the initiative of the state government.
We came from Guwahati. We find really comfortable. Our government helped us to take from Guwahati to Manipur Bhavan. We are 87, around 90 people. So we are very lot of thanks to our government, our CM, who took very responsibility, and we paid our own amount like this of this bus fare, and we shall remain all lot of thanks to our government.
Having found no symptoms for coronavirus at the initial screening, all the 87 passengers have been kept at a government quarantine center at Imphal Valley High School in Imphal West district of Manipur, said health officials. After screening so far, no one was detected with COVID-19 symptoms. However, they would be further tested, according to Additional Director Manipur Health Services Dr. Sashikumar Manga. The evacuees will spend a night at quarantine center and undergo a swab test in pools, with each pool's test having 5 samples. Accordingly, the health experts will identify those passengers who need to remain at isolation ward for further observations or for home quarantine. And those whose result tested positive will be sent to isolation wards of Jenims and RIMS Hospital, Imphal.
What we are doing is throat swab test, specific test for COVID-19. After this test, if they are found negative, they will be sent back to their respective districts, respective homes. So there again, they will have to continue their home quarantine for minimum of 14 days. We are going to quarantine till the end of our investigation. After completing the investigation, we will know that whether he or she is positive or negative. If once it's negative, they will send back to home for home quarantine. And if it's positive, definitely we have 2 hospitals, RIMS and Jenims. They will refer and they will take care of them.
Earlier, Manipur Health Minister L. Jayanta Kumar Singh informed that the state government had already sought permission from the Ministry of Aviation and Home Affairs for special chartered flights to evacuate stranded people of Manipur from metropolitan cities. Manipur reported 0 COVID-19 active case on April 21 as second patient was discharged from the RIMS hospital. There were 2 COVID-19 cases in the state. Both have fully recovered and have tested negative, and there are no fresh cases of the virus in the state so far. With Tarosha, Imphal.